Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up subscription products inside System.io. So this is one of my pages for one of my memberships, Success with System.io. Currently I'm hosting this membership on School, but if I were to host it on System.io community, this is how I'm going to set it up. So once you're done with your page, go back to your funnel and click on configuration. You're going to scroll down and select digital product. And over here, you are going to set up your subscription product. So click here on this plus sign, name your product. So I'm going to name it under my community name, Success with System.io. And then resources, you are going to select the community. Now, before you do this step, you must already have a community created inside System.io. I have a separate video for you to watch on how to set up communities if you haven't set it up yet. Watch that video, and then once you're done, you are going to watch this video and follow the step. Click on communities and then select your System.io community. And then under price plan, this is where you're going to set up your subscription pricing. So click on plus sign and create a new plan. I'm going to name it Success with System.io monthly. And then I'm going to copy this and paste it here as well. And here as well. Price plan type is going to be subscription. Trial period. So if you want to offer a trial period where people can test and see your membership first before they make any payment, you are going to add the numbers of days here. For example, my Success with System.io community, I offer 7-day free trial so they can experience the community before committing. And then over here, customers will pay. So this is where you're going to put the pricing. So my community is $7 per month. So over here, $7 each 1 month. And then go ahead and click save. So this is our first pricing. I also offer annual pricing. So we're going to set up an annual payment plan as well. So click here again on the plus sign, click on create a new one. And over here, I'm going to add Success with System.io annual. And I'm going to copy paste it here and here as well. Payment plan, subscription, trial period is 7 days. And then over here, customer will now pay 70 each 1 year or 12 months. So that depends. However you wish to add here, and then click on save. So now we already have two payment plans. One is for the monthly and the other one is an annual payment plan. Go ahead and click save. If you want to add a coupon, you can set it up here. Now that we already have set up our monthly and annual payment plan, we are going to go ahead and test it out. So click here on view funnel step and you should see the both payment plans over here. There we go. And customers can then select which plan they want to move forward with. I recommend that after setting it up, you test it yourself and see if everything is working fine, so your members don't get a surprise. Okay, so make sure you do that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, please drop them in the comments. If you like this video, subscribe and like. If you want to learn more about System.io and how to leverage your funnels so that you can monetize them, go ahead and check out my Success with System.io community. This is for you if you want to make money with System.io. Once you join, you are going to get access to my free course, Mastering System.io. I also do live workshops and I do weekly trainings, so you can join us live and ask your questions, and we can even work together and build your funnel together live on the call. You can join Success with System.io for free and experience around the community. If you like it, then you can continue your journey for just $7 per month. If you do not like it, you can cancel it anytime. I hope to see you inside.